And now the moment of truth. Do we still have the rust into the pores? Back to the same 100x magnification as before, and look at that, instead of rust we have clean metal, and deep in the pores where the brushes could never reach, the dark phosphate. That's the converted rust, stable, sealed, and non-spreading. This is a surface you can actually season. For this spot I'm using grapeseed oil. It is one of the best oils for seasoning. High smoke point, and it polymerizes into a hard durable layer. A thin coat is all you need. Wipe it on, then wipe it off like you made a mistake. What looks like almost nothing is exactly right. This now bakes at 230 degrees Celsius, that's about 450 Fahrenheit. And while the oven does its work, let's build the fireplace. And now, the announcement I promised you at the start. I recently bought a property. The house was built back in the 70s and it needs a lot of work. So I decided to start a second channel and share the whole journey with you. I'll document everything. You'll see the complete transformation, step by step. Outdoor projects, indoor projects, renovation, building, a lot of things are coming. The link is in the pinned comment. There are already 2 videos waiting for you. Check them out, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing. It means a lot. Now, back to the fireplace. Now I'm building the floating grill. No legs, no stand in the fire. The grill hangs suspended above the flames. This way I can adjust the height, control the heat, and swing it away when I need to work with the pot. Simple idea, and it changes everything about cooking over open fire. And here it is, ready. The whole thing is adjustable. I can raise it, lower it, and set the height exactly where I want it over the fire. Once we know it holds and moves the way it should, the grill comes off and the restored pot goes on. Back to the pot. I've applied 3 layers of seasoning, both on the pot and the lid. Each layer baked separately, thin coat every time. 3 is a solid foundation. You can add as many as you want. It depends on how you want the finish to look. More layers, deeper black. The pot will build the rest on its own with every cook. And there it is, 100 years old, and look at it now. Deep black, smooth, sealed, ready for work. The pot goes on the hook, over the fire, right where it belongs. It probably hung like this a century ago, and today it starts again. Now it's time to cook a delicious stew. But before that, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps the channel. And by the way, you can find the full recipe in the pinned comment right alongside with the link to my new channel. Thanks for watching folks, and see you in the next one.